YouTube fam, what's good, man? What's going on with y'all, man? It's your boy Jay here to chop it up with y'all, man, and just give y'all some of this daily content, man. It's Saturday. I said let me do something different for y'all, man. Let me be inside the sneaker room, as you can see. You know what I'm saying? I said let me step in the sneaker room and just chop it up with y'all about some upcoming things, how your day went, etc., etc. So what I need for you to do, if y'all like the standing up content, pardon me if I might be shaking around a lot, you know what I'm saying? But if y'all like this type of content, y'all want to see more things, switching it up like this, going outside, all type of stuff, man, hit that like button, man, and make sure you leave a comment down below. Speaking of comments, if your boy Jay hasn't got back to your comment and you have commented within the last 2 or 3 weeks, hey, kindly leave me a reminder and be like, Jay, you missed over my content. I'm replying to everything, man. So make sure that you comment down below. But outside of that, y'all, what I want to do is, like I said, man, just talk to y'all about some upcoming things real quick, man. You know what I'm saying? Houston Astros, you know what I'm saying? Since I got on a fit and I can show y'all what's going on in the stew, you know, I got on the Houston Astros, the Goodfellas tee, you know what I'm saying, with the splash of the orange on the bottom to go off the orange on the hat, man. Y'all don't know about the details, man. I try to tell y'all about the details, you know what I'm saying? But got that on, chilling in the crib, you know, just vibing out. But I do want to talk to you guys. We recently spoke about these, you know what I'm saying? We spoke about these driveway grays. Some of y'all said y'all actually let me go down here, man, because this other pair is on the ground. Some of y'all said y'all actually like the driveway greens over the grays, man. Like, where they do that at, man? In my opinion, I think them grays are a little bit, you know, more versatile as far as when you putting fits together, man. But hey, man, you like what you like, so I ain't mad at y'all. But yeah, outside of that, today, real quick, man, for those of y'all who are new, let me give y'all a quick sneaker room tour. As you can see right here behind me, you know, this is my wall of kicks right here, y'all. My full wall of kicks, and I got shoes all over. As you can see, I got shoes over here, got shoes over here. I got shoes, we'll do a 360 real quick. Over here, I got shoes all over this room, y'all. So it's shoes all up in here, you feel what I'm saying? And I'm dropping shoes. Oh yeah, I didn't even show y'all. Look, while I'm dropping shoes behind me, it's shoes right here, man. So yeah, man, I got a lot of these things called shoes. I don't even know what this is. What is this right here? This is, oh, them joints right there, man. Y'all know, you know what I'm saying? The green guys, you know what I'm saying? But man, so many shoes, bro. Your boy Jay has a crap load of shoes. That's why I'm always like, bro, I need to do a sneaker sale, etc., etc. I just have way too many shoes. But that's a real quick look at, oh yeah, I ain't even show y'all this neither. Over here on this side of the sneaker room, y'all, I got more shoes right here in this corner. So I got shoes, bro, everywhere. Shoes everywhere, up and down, side to side, however, on the bottom, like, bruh, shoes all throughout this room, you know. Shoes over here, shoes just everywhere, you know what I'm saying? Shout out to the person who sent me these, man. These Ninja Turtle Adidas joints, man. Fire. I said I'll never probably open these. This will just be like a collector's piece. But shout out to the person who sent me over those. But outside of that, man, I do want to talk to y'all about today. What happened today, y'all? My bad again for the camera angles, because I'm just holding this in my hand, so it's gonna get crazy. But today we did get the release of a Jordan 1, y'all. We got the Jordan 1 gold dust joints, the black and golds. Those released today. Smaller sizes sold out on the sneakers app, man. So surprised, man, but not so surprised. But if you guys did pick it up, Outrank brand does have a t-shirt, bruh. They do got a dope tee. Never dim your light, bruh. They got a dope tee that goes with them. As you can see, I got them right there up top to go with the tee, man. So I definitely was gonna put it on, do a little video with them, but man, time, bro. Your boy Jay didn't have no time to do that today, so that's why I said I'm gonna just go ahead and give y'all this type of content. But outside of that, that is happening, or that did happen today. Like I said, let me know how they sold in your area, or let me know rather how they sitting in your area, because I know them joints is sitting. But outside of that, y'all, we do got a shoe. Let me turn this way so I can see my ring light. My ring light needs to be my light right now. But this week we do got this shoe releasing, y'all. Comment down below, are you copping these, bro? I do have sizes available in these if you guys want them. I have like an 8 through 13. If you guys want those over on JTSG Closet, hit me up. I got White Thunders right now. I got the cement threes. I got a whole bunch of shoes over there, man. So if you need any kicks, y'all, holla at your boy Jay. But yes, man, this upcoming weekend, we shall be seeing the Jordan 11 low. I think I'm gonna cop a pair, bro. Diffused blues, y'all. I think I'm gonna cop a pair of these, man. Comment down below. What are your thoughts on the diffused blues? I think I'm gonna cop a pair that they're actually pretty clean, bro. Pretty clean pair of Jordan 11 lows. So I think I'm gonna keep a pair out of all the pairs that I have and just, you know, show y'all what's going on with these. But they're actually a solid colorway. Dope in my opinion, but those are releasing this upcoming weekend. My bad again for the poor holding of the camera, y'all. But that is happening. Then, of course, y'all, the following week, I don't know where to put all this stuff, but the following week, y'all, we got, of course, the shoe that I feel like is going to be the biggest shoe of the month. It's going to sell out. It's going to be selling for pretty much the entirety of the rest of the year, y'all. We do got, of course, the white and black box, y'all. Who is calling my phone right now? Who is calling my phone? I'll call you back, bro. But anyways, look, y'all, we do have... Woo! Yes, I talked to you guys about these in my video from yesterday, y'all. The Jordan 4, hold on, there you go. The Jordan 4 White Thunders, bro. These joints go so crazy, man. Fire. And look, I can actually throw it on with the fit that I have on right now, you know, because it just goes with it, y'all. My bad, y'all. I don't normally hold the camera like this in vlog, so I'm off, you know, but I normally have my daughter here recording me. But yeah, these right here, man, crazy fire, bro. Crazy fire. These are releasing not this weekend coming up, but the weekend after that, man. So we got White Thunders releasing, you know. That is another dope thing that is happening for the month of course, August. Why this shoe is right here in my face, y'all. Let me show y'all these, bro. The reason why I'm not copping the white cements that's getting ready to release here soon is because I do have these, and I feel like I like these better than the white cements. It's just in my opinion, bro. Woo! K54 Jordan 3s, y'all. These go crazy in my opinion, you know what I'm saying? Fire. I haven't worn mine yet. I could really wear it with the fit that I got on, bro. Like, everything that I'm pulling out can go with what I have on, but the K54 3s, fire, bro. These go crazy, but that's why I'm passing out on those cement 3s. Comment down below, are you copping those cement 3s? You know what I'm saying? It's another shoe right here, bro. This shoe, I want to say these release next month in September, y'all. A Jordan 1. I have sizes in this shoe available too, y'all. If you guys want them, I think I have like an 8, 11, and 12 left. If you guys want them for retail, this is my personal, you know what I'm saying? I kept a pair of these because these go crazy, but I got an 8, 11, and a 12 left retail if you want them, y'all. Hit me up over at JTSG Closet, but those are the only 3 sizes I got left. Everybody else went crazy and bought all my other sizes, but these are clean. Definitely keeping the personal of these. Nice pair of Jordan 1s. A lot of y'all was arguing and saying that might be the Jordan 1 of the year, and I was like, ugh, I don't know about that, but they definitely clean. But if you guys want them size 8, 11, or 12, I got you for the retail. And I'm trying to find this pair of shoes. Let me show y'all another thing too, y'all. Another thing I did not show you guys on my channel. Like I said, y'all gotta forgive me for being all over the place when it comes to vlogging, because I'm holding this in my hand. But these right here, I got these, did not show them to y'all. Burberry's, y'all. So I picked up a pair of Burberry shoes. See if I can put it over here and y'all can see it while I'm doing it. But picked up a pair of Burberry shoes. I don't really be showing y'all the designer stuff I be getting because I don't know how y'all feel about the designer. Some of y'all was like, Jay, show us the designer stuff, we want to see it. But I don't know if a majority of the people who watch are interested in that type of stuff. So I like to do things for the masses, you know, because, you know, that's what I built the channel off of things that everybody likes, you know. But since I got y'all here with me, comes with a dust bag, you know what I'm saying? Designer stuff. But I did pick up a pair of these Burberrys that released, I want to say like 3 years ago, bro. These are actually hard to find right now, bro. Of course, they look like some Chuck Taylors to say, you know what I'm saying? But they got the Burberry written down the side of them, bro. I think that they dope. Shout out to Ron Got Sold. Ron Got Sold was the first one I seen with these, and he actually made me go buy these, man. But clean pair of little Burberry shoes, you know what I'm saying? Had to get these to go with my my Burberry essentials that I might have. But I didn't show you guys that on the channel. I just wanted to show it to y'all while I was here with y'all, since I got y'all up in the shoe room with me, you feel what I'm saying? But dang, bro, like over here, take a look, y'all. Take a look down here on the floor, man. Over here on the floor, got nothing but Soul Premise bags down here, bro. Soul Premise bags on the bottom down here. And yeah, man, just so I know it ain't no facade, bro. I keep me some Soul Premise bags, bro. Gotta keep them on deck. They always come in handy. But yeah, man, outside of what I showed y'all, I still cannot find that shoe that I wanted to show y'all. I'll tell y'all what it is, man. I was gonna show y'all the phones, bro. See, and this the problem that I run into, bro. I be having so many shoes, bro. It's like, it's hard, bro. It'd be hard for me to even find shoes in my collection because I have so many, you know what I'm saying? It's like, it's overwhelming, y'all, to have, you know, as much shoes as I have. I'm blessed to have it, you know, but bruh, at times it's like, and then of course, if you guys see, I put labels on all my boxes, y'all. I label them so I can kind of know what I have here. But even with the labels on the boxes, y'all, it still is a task finding shoes, man. You know what I'm saying? If you know, you know. If you have those problems, man, comment down below. Let me know what you do. How do you find your shoes? Don't tell me nothing crazy like put them in alphabetical order, nothing like that, because that would be kind of insane, I would guess. But yeah, man, dang, I'm trying to find my pennies, y'all. I'm trying to find my pennies. That actually might be them up here. So let me see if this is them. This might be them, y'all. Might be them up here. Let's see. Neon, yes, I think that these are them. So I think that this is what I'm looking for right here. We'll see. We shall see, we shall see, we shall. Bingo, yes, man. Now these, y'all, whoo, these right here, man. September. Comment down below. Is anybody going after these phones? Like, when I tell y'all the blue on these hit, the blue on these hit, bro. Look at this, bro. This is a clean pair of phone posits. Fire, man. A lot of y'all was asking me in my video when I made these, like the first look. Y'all was like, Jay, is that a Tim Hardaway jersey you rocking? Nope. Or is that an Anthony Hardaway jersey, bro? Come on, bro. There's only one Hardaway, bro. No disrespect to Tim, but there's only one Hardaway, man. It's Penny, y'all. So y'all know I had on the Anthony Hardaway jersey in this video, you know what I'm saying? Of course, that Mitchell & Ness authentic joint. But these right here, bro, beautiful, bro. Fire. Throw it on with what I got on, bro. Like, whoo, like I'm telling y'all, bro. Every shoe I'm pulling out, bro, can go with the fit of the day, man. But comment down below, what are your thoughts? Are y'all copping these? I just wanted to show y'all some upcoming shoes that I got in here. I got some good shoes on the way, so stay tuned. This week, y'all, this week I should have some early looks for y'all, as well as soon as tomorrow, y'all, I'm gonna probably hit y'all with the White Thunder early look, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna throw them on feet, give y'all some sizing tips and stuff like that, because those are getting ready to release, man. But that is it. Just wanted to talk to y'all while I'm here inside the shoe room real quick, man. Thumbs it up. Let me know if it's anything that you plan on copping that I showed y'all. You know, do you want to see more videos like this? And actually, I need to hold the camera steady the next time I do something like this. But if you guys want to see more content like this, man, comment down below, thumbs it up. I will see y'all back on the next one. Y'all stay blessed. Tomorrow we gonna throw something on feet. And yeah, that is it, man. I'm gone. Y'all stay blessed.